Jersey number 10. Two points by jersey number 7. Jersey number 3, Maagaw. In jersey number 9, pass to number 10. Jersey number 10, easy 2 points. Jersey double. 15 cent shot at Tibayan. Pass to number 10, Attack. Automatic pass by Tibayan. 2 points by jersey number 9. Tibayan. Jersey number 9 to number 10. 3 points. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 9. 3 points. Jersey number 9. Pass to number 10. 2 good shot. Solis dribbling the ball. 2 points by jersey number 9, Tibayan. Three points again. Mula na naman yan sa Nakorti. Tibayan. Black. Nakuha niya jersey number 3, time to shoot. 2 points by jersey number 1. In this. Solis, attack on the middle. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul committed, jersey number 9. Make the first, number 7. Complete to points, safe to shoot. Jersey number 9. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul by jersey number 3. 2 shots by jersey. Make the first by jersey number 9. Complete. Jersey number 10. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7, Solis. Nakakuha naman ng foul. Foul. Make the first. Complete 2 points. Pass to number 9. Attempt for 3. Jersey number 5. 2 point shot. By jersey number 5. English. To number 7, Solis. 2 points. By jersey number 7. Jersey number 9, pass to number 5. Still by English. 2 points by number 10. Yan ako yung join pala. 2 points by number 10. Rebound by Solis. Solis dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 1, 2 points. Jersey number 0, pass to number 10, 2 points. Solis dribbling the ball. Attempt for 3. No good. Kanya pa rin ang rebound. Nakakuha ng foul. Complete by Solis. Jersey number 9. Two points. Jersey number 10, pass to number 7. Foul. Baba jersey number 10. Make the second. Jersey number 0. Rebound by jersey number 5. 2 points by number 5. Jersey number 5. Attack. Pass to number 7. Pick. No good. Nakakuha ni jersey number 0. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul by jersey number. Make the second. 8 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. 2 seconds remaining. End of the first quarter. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Solis. Solis for 2. No good. No, not in. Jersey number 91. 15 seconds shot clock. Two points by jersey number 27. Two points by number 7. Jersey number 5, first personal foul. Jersey number 3, for the rebound. Tumira na foul. Foul. Make the second. Solis. Nakakuha ng foul. Sino yan? Foul by jersey number 25. Sack ito siya. Make the second by 2 points by number 17. Solis. Solis for 2 points. Number 3. 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 3. Attempt for 3. Red points. Pass to number 17 for 3. In and out. Jersey number 25. Pass to number 3. 2 points run. By jersey number the ball. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 5. No good luck. 2 points by jersey number 4. Jersey number 1. Pass to number 4 to number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Jersey number 9. Nakakuha ng foul. Basket count. Jersey number 27. 2 points by jersey number 27. Now what is Cyrus? Nice play, jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Pull up jump for 2. No good. Defensive rebound by jersey number 1. In this ball. Jersey number 25. Pass to number 10. 2 points. Solis dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1 for 3. 3 points. By jersey number 1. 10 seconds remaining. All 40 ang score natin. 7 seconds remaining. Jersey number 27. Air ball. Luzon ball. End of the second quarter. Attempt for 3, no good. Two points by jersey number 7. Jersey number 10. Pass to number 9. Nawala ang bola. Jersey number 5 na. Pass to number 10. Kay Castro. 2 points yan. Baik di Castro. Jersey number 3. Pass to number 9. Jersey number 9. Attack for 2 points. Baik jersey number 9. Naku William. Naku jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. 2 points. Number 7. Attempt for 3. Wala. Naku di Castro. Pass to number 9. 3 points. Number 10. Jersey number 10. Nagmamadali. Pass is Solis. To jersey number 1. To Kuchan. Baik Luis. 2 points. Jersey number 10 di Castro. Pass to number 10. To number 1. Back to number 10. 2 points. Back to jersey number 3. Back to number 10. Umigot ng bahagia. Dahil Hisoy sa gitna. 2 points. By jersey number 7. Jersey number 3. Pass to number 5. Jersey number 5. Pass to number 10. De Castro. 2 points by De Castro. Invis. Put up that for 2 points by Invis. Everyone. Jersey number 5. Attack. 2 points by jersey number 10. Beda melawan sana. Steve number 10 to Castro. 5 seconds remaining. Pass to jersey number 5. 3 seconds remaining. Jersey number 5 for 3. 3 points. Buzzer beater by jersey number 5. Attempt for 3. Nakuli jersey number 7. Solis. Pass to jersey number 1. Mauna na. 2 good shot by jersey number 1. Invis. Bringing the ball. Hinahas to jersey number 10. Jersey number 3. Pass to number 17. To number 27. Nilinis pa ang ring. Complete race up. Number 10 again. Pass to jersey number 3. To Invis for 2. 2-point shot by jersey number 1. Invis. Jersey number 1. Pass to number 10. Jersey number 10. Attack on the middle. 2-point shot by jersey number 10. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 7. Solis for 3. Bang! By jersey number 7. Solis. Stage favor. Lamang na ulit ang Muson. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 5. 2 points by jersey number 5. Jersey number 7. 2 points by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Pinilit pa. Basket yan. By jersey number 3 points. Number 3. By jersey number 4. 13 for Lamaswell. 2 points by jersey number 3. Invis. 2-point shot by Invis. Balik. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Namun jersey number 91. Wala. Namun jersey number 10. 2 points by jersey number 10. Jersey number 7. 2 points by jersey number 7. 7. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Invis. Sa gilid. 2 points. Sabtayan 2 minutes. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 25. 2 points. 7-7. Pass to number 7. Nakalaya ba? Oy! Nakakuha ng foul. Sino yan? Started. Foul against number 25. Missed the first. In size. Foul. Make the first against number 7. Complete by number 7. Ayun na.